1.9 stars out of 5 on Trustpilot. Is Voyager just another scam to put on the list of shady crypto companies to avoid? Or is there more to this? Let's dive deeper into why, and here's my full review on the Voyager Crypto app. I'm gonna cover a lot, so the time codes are in the description below. I've created an ultimate review blog post, deeper dive into the information that I left out of this video, because I don't want this video to become a boring style lecture where even I will fall asleep. Link in the description below. Voyager is a mobile crypto app that allows you to trade up to 60 plus cryptocurrencies and gain interest on over 30 of them, with the highest rates being 12% on Polkadot and 9% on USDC, the stablecoin. Voyager is a crypto brokerage and not an exchange. It works similarly to how Robinhood works, where they're the middleman to the users of the application and match to the other side of the trade, which is usually made with liquidity providers, market makers. But in the Voyager app, they use what they call a smart order routing, which accesses their network of 12 plus exchanges and market makers. This is special proprietary technology that behind the scenes algorithms will go and search across all of the network to find the best price. This means even filling an order in pieces, even across exchanges, all done within milliseconds of placing your trade. Voyager offers 100% commission-free trades. So how does Voyager make money? Since crypto is new and a maturing market, there's price differences across exchanges, and due to the market volatility, their dynamic smart order router identifies the inefficiencies in the market and uses these price differences to get better prices. To quote them, "When we beat our quoted price, we take a fraction of the savings and pass the rest to you, allowing us to offer commission-free trading. In short, we only make money when you save money." Voyager has a variety of cryptocurrencies available, with a diverse amount of altcoins available, with 12 small cap coins, which are under 1 billion market cap, but no micro caps available, which would be typically around under 50 million market cap, with plans of adding more than 20 new coins in the near future. You can already find the top 20 coins besides Binance and Wrap BTC, and with 34 interest earning crypto, which is just behind Celsius and crypto.com by the leading competitors inside the market, but only by a handful. The interest rewards are subject to change, so they are announced every month, so you want to just check this, but here's going to be a screenshot of all the current rates. The top 10 interest rates are going to be 12% Polkadot, 9% USDC, 7% Voyager token, 5.75% Bitcoin, 5.75% Luna, 5.75 Polygon, 5% Cardano, 5% Litecoin, 4.6% Ethereum, and 4.25% Chainlink. Plus, you can gain interest on some of your favorite meme coins like Doge or Shiba Inu, both at 2%. When comparing against all the different competitors, your head is going to spin. So what I've done is I've created a Google Sheet comparing the interest rates of the top competitors. So check that out if you have a specific coin in mind and you want to see it among the top competitors. Link is going to be in the description below. So a big question that everyone's going to have is Voyager safe? Within crypto, as always, there's always some inherent risk. But yes, Voyager has some of the highest security inside the industry. Voyager utilizes Ledger's Vault multi-authorization cryptocurrency wallet management solution. And as you may know or may not know, Ledger is known to be the global leader with best-in-class security and infrastructure solutions for digital assets and blockchain apps, with most people knowing them for their crypto hardware wallets. The Ledger Vault is their enterprise level solution, and according to them, quote, "the most secure, flexible way for custodians, exchanges, crypto banks, and professional investors to store, manage their private keys." Ledger has also obtained a pool customized crime insurance program, insuring crypto assets for up to 150 million for their Vault program. In terms of security within inside the app, you can enable touch, Face ID, and two-factor authentication, which you should do with SMS text, or enable the authenticator verification. Even though it's more of a pain, I suggest going through the authenticator so you don't have to worry about SIM hacks in the possible future, and just to have the highest level of security. Along with safety, through their banking partners, your funds deposited are FDIC insured up to $250,000. Note, this is only applied to your cash funds in your account that you deposit and not for your crypto. Also, Voyager is a publicly traded company, so they have stronger security and stricter requirements due to their regulation. They made the unconventional choice to go public for several reasons, with transparency and being accountable at the top. Here, they're held to higher standards since they're legally required to disclose quarterly and annual reports, plus public filings for numerous business actions that they conduct. On their blog, they state, quote, "We also have an obligation to act in the best interest of our shareholders and drive value to their investments." One more important question is, has Voyager ever been hacked? Yes, Voyager has been hacked in December 2020. There was a cyber attack where the domain name system server got compromised, and the Voyager system detected the threat, and then they immediately took down the system and handled the attack. Their detection systems worked as planned, and no funds or personal information was compromised because of it. And there hasn't been any other incidents since. The app is clean and intuitive to use. It's easy to navigate, buying and selling is simple and fast, and tracking your portfolio, total return, allocation percents, individual crypto profit and loss, value, interest earned, and other metrics that are refreshing to be able to easily see, is well organized within the portfolio screen. It's easy to fund your account. You use Plaid inside your Voyager account to connect to your bank account. It's very fast, very easy. Minimum deposit is $10. Maximum daily deposit is $5,000, with deposits clearing after 5 days and available on the 6th business day. But they recognize the need to have instant deposits, so you have an instant deposit of $10,000 available for immediate use while you wait for your deposits to clear, which is nice. It's also simple to transfer and deposit crypto within Voyager, but note, not all crypto you buy on Voyager can be deposited or transferred out, or both. This is a drawback if the crypto you want to transfer isn't supported, so double check the app to make sure that what you're thinking of using Voyager for is supported. Again, always double check the addresses you're sending to and from to confirm that all the steps you are making and all the information that you set up is correct, because you could lose out on your crypto. One feature I do like about the crypto Voyager interface is the scrolling top news feed at the top of the app. This causes the top articles, newsworthy stories to be updated within the app so that you can keep up to date with crypto news. Things that I've broken on the channel or things that I've learned about through Voyager first. So it's nice to be up to date and have a good understanding of what's happening within the market through just using the Voyager app. Trading inside Voyager does lack some charting options, like being able to see shorter trading time frames below 1 hour, or being able to switch to candlesticks. This is going to be some of the basic foundation things for being able to make trades off of, is being able to see candlesticks. And the fact that I can't see that in Voyager is a little bit concerning, but it isn't that big of a deal, because if you're using a separate charting platform like TradingView, which is one of my favorite charting platforms, and I traded on that for free before I ever used a paid version. You link in the description below if you're interested. But I use a separate charting platform, so this doesn't really matter, because most exchanges and other apps, just the charting sucks. It's just not as robust as platforms that were made to chart and trade. Plus, with Voyager, I primarily use it for longer term altcoin swing trades and for longer term investments to collect interest. Because it currently is mobile app only, I don't find it helpful for scalping or day trading, since your actions need to be extremely quick with your trades and navigating through the app. Plus, setting multiple orders is too slow for me, with no ability to set stop losses if your trade goes lower than expected. It's not impossible. I still have used it. It's just not ideal. And unless I never sleep or I'm always watching my Voyager screen, it's hard to use this as a day trading or very short-term time frame trading app. But for medium, long-term, and investment purposes, it's perfect for what I need it to do. This might change though when the desktop app becomes available with the ability to set stop losses and also advanced trading orders. One of my favorite features as an investor is having recurring buys that let me consistently buy into the top cryptocurrencies, dollar cost averaging into them, where I can set the frequency from daily, weekly, monthly, or even on payday on the 1st and 15th of the month. It's easy to manage multiple cryptocurrency buys in a single swipe to enable or disable them. Depending on the loyalty tier level, you get a boost of interest on select crypto assets, including USDC, Bitcoin, and Ethereum so far. And respectively to the tiers, it's going to be 0.5%, 1%, and then 1.5%. Next, you get crypto-backed rewards. So the smart router that we were talking about earlier, if it finds price improvement for the Explorer and the Navigator tier levels, you'll receive 2x to 3x the price improvement that would normally be given to customers. You'll be getting that back in VGX. So this will help you get and move up to the next loyalty tier levels. You also get increased crypto withdrawal discounts at 10, 20, and 30%, and referral bonus increases at $30, $35, and $40. Normally, the referral bonus is $25 in free Bitcoin for you and the person that you refer if they sign up and trade $100. This increases how much you get paid, but not what they get paid. If you need a referral code, it would help me out if you use mine. This is JEF2D0 when you sign up, or use my referral link in the description below. I appreciate it, and I'll love you always. Upcoming future utility rewards that are in the pipeline: free debit card, crypto back on debit card purchases, and access to the future desktop application. Next, one of the biggest things that people write in their reviews, and not just for Voyager, but for many companies, it's going to be how good is their customer service. Here's some of the bad things. Voyager does not have any live chat. It is an automated virtual assistant to handle basic questions, which is surprisingly not that bad of an experience compared to some of the other virtual assistants I've used. So it's a lot smoother, but it could be better. And if the virtual assistant can't help, you can open up a ticket for the customer service team to look at and get back to you. And when I was reading through all of the negative reviews, this was a recurring major pain point. I've been using Voyager since January 2021. I've been through the ups and the downs and the different issues that came up earlier in the year due to scaling. And I can understand why people are frustrated, especially during that time period, since Voyager experienced scaling and growth issues. Trustpilot has 1.9 stars with 131 reviews. There's a lot of angry people on there, to say the least. But is this a good representation of Voyager? I don't think so. Because if you check other platforms like Google Play Store, Voyager's rating is 4.7 stars out of 5 on 7,000 plus reviews and 1 million downloads. And inside the Apple App Store, Voyager's rating again is 4.7 stars with 76,500 plus reviews. This is some of the best ratings in these stores for the crypto apps inside the industry. So Trustpilot is not a good representation of what the market feels about Voyager. Overall, Voyager is delivering to the market and people are happy with Voyager, myself included. Voyager has come a long way since then, and if you read through most of the reviews on Google Play or the Apple App Store, there's significantly less complaints and even some praise for their customer service. And just to test and be a little bit more objective, I opened up a ticket right before shooting this video with customer service to see how long it would take for them to get back to me. I sent it through the app at 3:27 a.m. PST, and I got a response back at 5:39 a.m. PST, which is 2 hours and 10-minute response time, which goes against what other people are saying, that they never have gotten back to them or that it takes days. It may have taken days when their backlog was super high and they haven't been able to scale their team, but it looks like Voyager has come a long way from where they used to be. All of that said, what do I think of the Voyager Crypto app? If you're looking to scalp or day trade within very short-term timeframes within a crypto app, and you need the benefit of in-app charting or more advanced orders like stop losses, I would personally look elsewhere until the new features and the desktop app comes available. They've talked about it, there's no set dates for now, so until then, it's easier to use other platforms. However, I've thoroughly enjoyed using the Voyager app for investing for the long term and collecting interest, and for medium and longer term trades for exposure on more altcoins than some of the mainstream crypto applications and platforms, for the US specifically. Serial entrepreneur Gary Vaynerchuk has said on CNN, "I do believe 98 to 99% of NFT projects will fail as investments, but that's similar to me as the internet stocks back in 99 and in 2000. But Amazon was there. The internet changed our lives, and blockchain and NFTs will do the same." So for me, this is Jeff speaking now, I believe that this applies to the crypto industry as well, where a large amount will fail and a small amount will do well, and fewer will hit it out of the park for the long run. Voyager has the team, the experience, and the exponential growth to stay a leading crypto trading app for the retail consumer for the future. Reading the transcript of the Voyager fiscal third quarter 2021 conference call, there's a lot to be excited about as well. There's a joint venture to pair cryptocurrencies with stocks in the future, so being able to trade your crypto for stocks is something to be excited about. There's a strategic investments like Auto IRA, which will enable Voyager users to open up an IRA account, and also talk of an NFT platform. Voyager continues to rapidly and strategically grow and innovate, and if they continue on this pace, who knows where they're gonna be within the next decade. All I know is that crypto is the future, and Voyager is going to be part of that future. Subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this review, and if you want $25 in free Bitcoin, use my link in the description below, or use code JEF2D0 when you sign up. Take care, talk soon, and I'll see you in the next video. And before I forget, dance on that like button.
Got no time for stressing. Don't believe in failures in my life, it's only lessons. They just making room for what I'm on now. I don't got a clue, but I know the one who does know how. Oh wow. It's like I'm learning the game with the maker I already know now. Destiny has my name, know it's coming, it'll never go. I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way, yeah, yeah, yeah.